Is your Rainmeter running slow? With overload CPU? Fix Rainmeter lag in 5 simple steps. Let's get started. First step, reduce skin update time. Right-click on any skin, then edit. Find update, put 1000 value or higher. We don't need that fast update. Save it and refresh the skin. Do the same for other skins. Step 2. Unload unused skins. Most of the time when we load skins, a lot of unnecessary skins also get loaded. The more skins you have, the more lag you'll get. This skin is unnecessary and can't be unloaded from desktop. So for that, open Rainmeter. Find the skin and unload it. It's probably this one. We are 2 steps in and already getting good results. Step 3. Optimize heavy skins. Some of the skins have animations. That makes our PC lag. For that, right-click on the animated skin, and then edit. Remove the animation part if you think it's unnecessary. It will really help your PC. If you want to bring back the animation, then do what I do. Step 4. Adjust Rainmeter's priority. Hold Shift plus Control plus Escape to open Task Manager. And just do as I do. Set the priority below normal, then you won't get lag when playing games or anything else. Step 5. Update Rainmeter and skins. Go to Rainmeter website and download the latest Rainmeter version. And also download the latest skins, which is mostly found in DeviantArt website. These were all the steps. I will also turn on the live wallpaper for result. If this video helped a little, please like and subscribe. And comment what kind of video you want next.